Hello friends, in our DSS and MIS paper, today I'm going to talk about DSS, that is called Decision Support System. So in the last class we were talking about MIS, how information is crucial and designed, maintained, stored in information in the organization, and how beautifully we can use that information for decision making and other all type of functions of management. Today, we are going to specifically talk about how we can go for decisions, and DSS helps us in that regard. So, DSS is quite interactive, integrated set of hardware and software. Like whenever we set up some like environment for DSS, we need some hardware and software uh, initially. Produce information to support decision-making system. Before that, I would say that DSS provides you decisions, but final decisions will be taken by a manager, right? So this will be given. This will give many options or set of options of decisions. Uh, so from those options, you can choose the best option for making decisions. So the overall system is quite interactive. I mean, you can interact with information, hardware and software also there to support to use that information in a much better way. We can use some special hardware and special software applications, programs for data analysis and some programming. So we can have better result. We can go for some more. We can work on data as a scientist, and we can use that data for uh, making decisions. MIS is a structured problems, like it gives you information in a structured way, like in a report. So that will be useful for managers to understand the facts and figures in a much better way. Likewise, DSS is a semi-structured and unstructured problems, like it will give you information which will be not in the tabular format. Now, MIS designed to support set of application. You may have some many types of application, and information will support all these applications as well. Well, where DSS can be adopted to any decision environment. I mean, this is quite flexible. If you have information, or if you have uh, hardware and software uh, availability, then you can go for DSS in any environment. Characteristics, as we just talked about, semi-structured or unstructured problems. Most is effective for tactical and strategic management level. Characteristics, use models like if you are looking for DSS, then we need some models, some simulation, and some analytical tools. Like we are talking about some IT-based tools like machine learning nowadays, deep learning, AI, neural technology. If you are a little bit expert in Python language, then you can work on that. Some tools like MATLAB you can use for data analytics as well. Readily adaptable to any decision environment. If data is available, then we can use any environment which can support, which can work for data analysis. So it's a ready to use environment. Like it's just a game of data, just plug and play. Not used for pre-established production schedule, like it's based on situation, so it is not predefined or well-defined work environment. Often makes helpful charts. So charts always good to understand the the, the conditions of organization, financial statistics and all. So data can be presentable in a more effective way through charts. We can go for some forecasting, some pattern designing, and some other futuristic possibilities. So on the basis of information, with the help of MIS, we can go for some decision making and predict something in future. Whatever the condition will be in future, we can predict in advance using technology, using tools. Some other tools like application development tools, quick application building. So if we have a IT background, then we can design some tools which will be useful for making decisions. Data management, data warehousing, data mining, like how we can get maximum utilization of resources, applications, softwares, hardware, how we can store information. This is all about tools. Modeling. Decisions involve many factors on the basis of the requirement. We can make our model. We can use some previously designed model as well. Model is like what type of information, how we want to proceed with that information. We can make a model as well. Statistical analysis, that you can find risk analysis, trend patterns of market and shares, financial analysis, and everything will be done through DSS and its tools. Planning, what if goals in future, if conditions, you can make all programs. As I said, you can use computer programming, like mostly nowadays use Python is used, Java, and the database you can use some tools in Hadoop, machine learning, deep learnings, and as I said, this MATLAB provides an environment, programming environment in which you can go for some conditions, programming, planning. Likewise, inquiry, graphics, and consultations, applications is specific as well. You can go for specific information, specific software and application for decision making. That's all about for me. It's DSS, and if you have any doubt, let me know. My contact number is 961-720-8058. Thanks. Take care.